What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do basically since I got this car, and that's going to be installing some Genesis badges on it. Now, when I got the car, I ordered some chrome Genesis badges, but when I got them, I realized that basically they were the worst quality badges ever, and I do not want to put them on my car. The chrome was peeling off. It was a terrible set of badges. So I sent them back and have yet to bother with it since then. Now, I've been doing a lot of digging and asking around lately, trying to figure out what badges are the best so I don't get screwed over and have some crap badges that'll fall off after a month on my car. And what I found out is that you want to get the badges that have the white tape on the back. You don't want to get the red tape because apparently those ones are bad quality, but if you get the white ones, you should be good. So let's go ahead and hop right into the video, get the old badges off, install these puppies, and see how it looks. Alright everybody, I've been at this for about 45 minutes now with some crappy dental floss, and I've realized quickly that the badge, actually not quickly, after 45 minutes, I realized the crappy dental floss is not going to take the badges off. So I'm going to go over to my buddy's house who's got some good fishing wire, line, whatever you want to call it, and then we're going to continue that there. So I will see you guys when we get there.
I'm taking that off. You sure this ain't got any kind of like...
It's got like little plastic pins in the back that are just supposed to pop out with it basically. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fine.
Hope you don't plan on reusing that badge.
I don't.
That's why I'm putting this underneath it so I don't hurt your paint.
Right. I think you might have found one of those little plastic screws right behind that H right there. Oh yeah.
There we go.
It's about to come all the way off.
There's a little plastic clip.
Yeah.
Pop off.
There we go.
That should be the perfect one for that.
Yeah, literally. One down.
It won't hurt the paint at all, but it will get that stuff off like nobody's business. Now get you some of that adhesive remover and put on that rag, and all that stuff should drop right off.
Just wipe it right off.
We'll probably clean all that gunk too.
Yeah, I know, it's never been messed with back
right
here.
There. Now, I personally would clean it with like an alcohol prep pad or something to get this adhesive remover off before you start putting that other.
Right, just in case
because it'll counteract the adhesive.
One down. Almost, anyway, I guess. Literally, that stuff should just instantly probably dry for the most part. I don't know if that'll even come off for real.
Probably not.
But you shouldn't be able to see it, I don't think, so it doesn't really matter.
It smells like alcohol.
You think it might be because it is alcohol?
I would have to imagine. Is that good there?
It looks like it, like for real, like it looks straight, dude. Like,
it there?
Does it not look straight to you? Like I don't see any like it literally looks like it's basically perfect for the most part. Yeah. Right under that basically is where it needs to be.
I've got like
I don't know, dude, like it's on.
It's on.
There's no going back. I'm about to hold it probably for a little bit, make sure it actually oh yeah, damn. That's not gonna be heavy. Make sure it stays on here nice and tight. I really think it's basically it looks like as perfect as it can be, honestly. Like, I don't know if you could really get it much. It does. One down, one to go. It looks pretty good.
Feels a lot better than that 8.
It does. It does.
That'll get it.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that. We're definitely going to need a whole lot more of that. Oh, it's starting to loosen up for sure.
Oh yeah, it's loose. It's just the pins now.
Oh, it's off.
Besides the screws, basically.
It's off all the way around.
There we go.
There's those screws. Looks like that's the same thing that I just pulled out of the ones in the back.
Yeah.
It's got this little sleeve on it. You should be able to push it through.
Oh yeah, this should do it right here, y'all. Oh!
There's that other one.
Yeah, yes sir.
I think first time every one of these has ever come in handy for me. But this is just a plastic scraper, so you can probably just do that, scrape it with that plastic scraper. And then clean it with, there honestly wasn't much on there. I think the screws were holding that on more than anything.
Yeah. A little bit of alcohol.
Alright. Grab that tape.
Yeah, I'm just going for a test run right there.
That's gonna be a lot harder to line.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be easier to line, but harder to line up the dots, if that makes sense.
Does it look straight though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's that Sharpie? Is it over here? Is it back there?
I got it right here. Oh god, look how many pieces I gotta take off here. Alright. Let me get right in front of it. Let's see. It's on there. Hopefully I did it right. Hopefully it looks good from not just right here. Does it look good to you?
Yeah, looks good. Is it on there?
I want to say yes. Keep putting some pressure on it for now. I mean, dude, it looks. Does it look good to everybody else besides me?
All angles.
Well, hot damn. It looks way better.
Oh man, now you gotta get some Genesis center caps.
Yeah, low key. Oh, that looks. I mean, it's on there all the way. You think I should wash it today? Or you think I should wait?
I'd probably wait a
A
day.
little bit and let it settle, just to be safe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Looks way better. Looks awesome. I'm hyped. I don't really think it could have gone much better for real. Toss this piece in there. Go ahead and get another close look real quick. Oh yeah. Yes sir. They appear to be completely secured, not loose at all. Everything looks good. I think it turned out great. It looks super good. The badges are super secured. Nothing looks like it's gonna fall off or anything. Everything looks great. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Now tomorrow, I'm going to be blacking out the chrome accents on the grill right here, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I will see you in the next one.